In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can start to build a system within your business. And welcome back to my channel. It's Phebi here, and if you're just joining me for the first time, I help service-based entrepreneurs to streamline and automate their business using online tools. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can implement a system into your business. Why do you want a system in your business in the first place? Well, the first thing is to be organized. Being organized in your business is a formula for success. And the other reasons why you'd want a system in your business is because you can predict your income, you can predict your clients. It allows you to be more predictable within your business. As well as that, it allows you to be consistent in your business, which is what we know as the key ingredient for success in business. And also it allows you to be efficient within your business. Efficiency is super important. It allows you to save time and money within your business. Now, there are 4 key areas where you'd want to build your system. Now, the first one is your marketing. So how will you attract clients into your business, or potential clients, for instance? Okay, so this is the way you promote your business online. You should always have a system for that because, again, it allows you to be consistent, and we know that consistency is super important for business. The second area where you want to build a system is your sales system. So how you turn a prospect into a client is super important. Again, consistency is super important. And by you having a sales system in place, allows you to be predictable with the amount of sales you are likely to make each month as well. The third place where you want to have a system is your operations, your back end. Now, this is the area that allows you to run your business efficiently, and having an efficient business allows for you to have that predictability and also have that consistency as well. Now, the fourth place as well where you want to have a system is also your delivery. So how will you actually deliver your services and products to your client? These are 4 main areas where you want to make sure you have a system in place. Now, how do you create a system in the first place? Well, there are a few steps that you need to take, and firstly, you need to understand how your systems actually work. So how you get from one place to another, how you do your marketing, how you take one client to another. You need to be able to write down the process. So that's number 1, is to write down the process. And then you're going to look at your processes, look at what you've written down, and see what areas can you actually eliminate as well, because you might find that there's some tasks that are, they don't need to be done because they're wasting time, they're not really beneficial for your business. So you really want to look at, you've written it all down, and you really want to make sure you analyze your systems, the step-by-steps, what you've written down, the processes of how you get from one place to another, and just kind of make that process tighter as well. Now, the second thing you want to do is to have a central place where you can actually organize your system. So let's say, for instance, you are taking on clients, you want to have a central place where you can actually manage your clients. Now, I use a tool, if you don't know by now, I use a tool called Spreadsheet. This allows me to streamline my processes of how I take a prospect into a client as well. So they would probably fill out a form, and then it all gets downloaded into one central place, which is Spreadsheet, and then I can organize my clients in that one area. So this again allows you to be efficient and productive as well. You would also need to actually build your system. Okay, so again, like I say, I use Spreadsheet to organize my systems, my business, my client as well. And this is a system where you would actually need to build it in order to use it as well. So you would need to create things like your forms, integrate it with your payment processor as well, and things like that. So building a system in place that allows you to get your client from one place to another is super important. Now, this can take a while for you to do, so you can actually hire help help if you want to. And I actually do Dubsado setup, so if you're interested, check out the link below as well. Now, the fourth thing that you'd want to do when creating your system is actually make sure you test it before you roll it out. I can't stress how important this is, because testing, you're always going to find something wrong, and you can fix it before you actually roll it out to your audience, to your clients and things like that. Always test your process. I would say a minimum of 3 times, and also get someone else to test it if possible as well. So writing down your processes is super important, right? But there are a few tools that can help you to do this. Now, the first one could be Google Docs. You don't have to make it hard. You can make it as simple as possible, whatever works for you. But all you need to do is use something like Google Docs or Word to literally write down the step-by-step things that you go through. Or you can also record the process of how you actually get from one end to another on a video. So you can screen record your video. One tool that I like to use is either Zoom, or I use Loom, which is free really for you to use and record the processes. And then you can actually get someone else to write it all down, watch the video and write it all down step by step. So I do tend to use videos, and I write it down for my clients as well, particularly for my onboarding as well. So you want to use things like Google Docs or Word, and as well as that, you can use a screen recorder that can actually help you to understand your processes better. Now, you don't have to use just Google or Google Docs or Word. You can also use things like a spreadsheet, which I've also used and helped me to go through the processes of a system as well. There's so many other tools out there that you can use, and I'll probably list them below, so make sure you check it out in the description below. Let me know in the comments what processes or what tools that you use to help you build your system as well. So that's an easy way to actually build your system and get started today. If you have any more questions, or there's something else that you want to know about, then make sure you comment in the comment section below as well. Guys, that's it from me today, and I'll see you in my next video. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload a video. Guys, that's it from me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.